What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do an unboxing on the Sundown Audio X15-inch V.2 subwoofer. So I picked up my speaker from downforsoundshop.com. Included in the box is a free voltmeter, t-shirt, sticker, and lanyard. Along with this subwoofer, I'm going to be using a Soundstream 2600 watt amplifier. I'm going to be wiring this dual voice coil sub, which is 2 ohms, in parallel to get a 1 ohm final impedance. So just for comparison, this is a Alpine Type R. It's what I had in there before. And you can really see the size difference on these here. Both 15 inches. Alright, so I got everything hooked up. I have the main power on this side, as well as the connection to the speaker itself. And then on this side I have the input signal, and that's going to a line output converter from this speaker right here. And let's test it out. Alright, so I got everything hooked up, and I'm going to start playing some music here.
We smoke that California kush, but that's that charge. I want a motherfucking Bentley and a Charger. My granny told me, boy, grind a little harder. I grabbed that pot and then I whipped it with some water for charge. You know it's baby, nigga. Oh Lord, Jesse made a nigga. Okay, like I was also baby caress me. I've been doing all this shit just so that you caress me when I love. Girl, I buy you diamonds and jet skis and your girlfriend. That might be the one that I'm my angel. Girl, I think you come from above. My diamonds glisten, shining in the sun. Now we kissing. Girl, I just wanna love you, hey, I've been on the road and it's showing, but I still going to keep holding on to something. I know you got that woman.
Alright, so my final thoughts on it. Overall, I'm definitely happy with the purchase. First of all, the Sundowns hit the low notes way harder than any other 15-inch sub that I've ever heard. This is by far my favorite thing about it. Being that it's in a sealed box, the bass always stays crisp and clear throughout all the frequencies. If you crank it up a little bit, it straight slaps, and I mean that for real. You even saw it in the video, but really, you gotta be there in person to understand how hard it can hit. So to sum it all up, it's definitely a high quality speaker, and having all those extras included in the box was also a nice touch. I found the voltmeter to be the most useful by letting you know what your battery level is at anytime you're playing music. Anyways, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.